Now let's take a look at our crude oil for the week. Let's zoom it out on our daily time frame. We can see on our daily time frame we are actually ranging within this key level area which I've highlighted. We can take here as our support level, also take here as our resistance level where our price came in and bounced back. It also came in and bounced. By the way, so now currently where we are now is at this place where our price is actually ranging, and I am seeing that our price has actually come down to tap this our support level here, and it is about to give us that bullish move, a push up. So we should be actually be going bullish this week, which I actually believe would be having by the time by the start of the week or when our market opens. We should actually start going bullish, by the way. So we've actually come down a long way, and now our price have hit our support level, and we've seen the bounce up. Our price has come here to hit this our support level, and we should be expecting a bounce up again this week on our end for this week. So I would want to see our price actually hit here this week, probably around 102. We are currently trading at 97.33. That's it, 97.33. At least by the end of the week we should actually be closing at 102. That is exactly what I see our price might be playing out. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame. We are actually on an uptrend move. As we can, let's start it from here. We can see the higher highs, we can see our higher lows. We see this our higher highs breaking our previous higher highs. We saw this pullback again, which is our higher lows, and now we've had another higher highs breaking this our previous higher highs, right? And guess what? We have a pullback very soon. By the when our market open next, we should actually have another higher highs breaking this our previous higher highs on this our 4-hour time frame. So we should see that bullish move upward to around 102, where we are aiming for our price to actually hit this week. That is it on our 4-hour time frame. Now let's take a look at it on our 1-hour time frame. Still on our 1-hour time frame, we are still on an uptrend move. By the way, this was our highs here, highs, another highs break our previous highs here, and we saw the pullback, and another highs break our previous highs here. That's what we are actually having this pullback. I believe our pullback should be ending anytime soon. By the way, we should be having ending our pullback should be ending anytime soon. Then it's now time to actually take it up to around 102 on our 1-hour time frame. So for this week we are actually planning to actually go bullish. Let's see where our if our price can actually push it off from here to our 102 targets we are targeting for. That will be about 4.79% we will be making this week. So that is the analysis for the week.